Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest and most effective way to indent text in Excel. Indenting your text might seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference, helping your tables look clean, structured, and professional. It's especially handy when you're building reports, hierarchies, or lists that need a bit of visual organization. All right, let's dive in. Start by clicking on the cell where you want to add an indent. In my example, I'll click on cell B4, which contains the name John from Team A. Next, go to the Home tab and look for the alignment group. You'll see an icon with a small arrow pointing to the right. That's the Increase Indent button. Click it once, and you'll see your text shift slightly to the right. Click it again, and it'll move even further. You can repeat this as many times as you like until the indentation looks just right for your layout. Need to apply the same indent to a group of cells? Simply select all of them at once and click Increase Indent. Excel will adjust them all together, keeping your formatting consistent and saving you tons of time. Changed your mind? No problem. Select the cell again, go back to the Home tab, and click the Decrease Indent button. That's the one with the left-pointing arrow. Each click moves your text a little further left until the indent is completely gone. Indentation only changes how your text appears. It doesn't affect formulas, sorting, or calculations. It's purely for visual formatting. And that's it. That's how you add, adjust, and remove indentation in Excel with just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, please like, follow, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post new Excel tips.